What's up all the watch enthusiasts? Today we gonna see the unboxing of Casio Gshock 700 ADR. Actually it is GA-700 ADR. So let me quickly open the thing up. Yes, I have ordered it from Amazon for 6,000 bucks. Yeah, that will be 6 grand. The original price is 7,500. I did get some 10% discount here and there. So let me quickly open this thing up real quick. Oh my god, it's taking time. Damn it. And there we have it. So I quite like the new things when they come in an open box. We have to open that. The experience is a whole lot of new. We don't get to really feel those experiences later. So the box, as we can see, is very smooth and stylish. I do own G-Shock, our previous model before, but that is frankly speaking not attractive as this one. So here we have the pricing. The pricing tells around 7,995, but okay, it was listed at 7,500. This is the warranty card. This is international warranty, and this is that pamphlet, the big one. Now this is what we have been waiting for. Look at that case. Look at that case. It's a gorgeous looking case. Oh my god, all metal and premium finish on the case. Just gorgeous. What we have here? Nothing. It's just a showroom tag, as we can see. This is pretty thick. Okay, is it only in English? You can see that later. Warranty card. We have two warranty cards. One is for international. Total is 2 years warranty. One is international, another is domestic, as far as India is concerned. So let's get this baby opened up and ready. Oh, it's like opening the tiffin box, but just the food tastes all that real good, doesn't it? It's pretty brand new. I don't think it has been opened yet once. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous face. Guys, I cannot tell you over a voiceover that how gorgeous the thing looks. It has a price tag of 7,995. Look at that, 20 bars, water resistant. This angle or that angle, it's the beast with the beauty combined. Now we gonna quickly see how to set the time, because as you can see, this is not the Indian time. Currently it is 9 o'clock over there around, and it is 1 p.m. So I don't know if you guys can see it or not. You have to hold that reset key, and you have to hold the mode key and make it to world time. From world time, you have to just click the reset key till your city comes up. Like my city will be Delhi. It is 24 time zones are there, so 24 cities will be there. By default, it is set in Tokyo, that is Japan's time, from where this watch is being made. So let me just go to city. I don't know if you can see it or not. It will be, yes, this is Japan, this is Sydney. Some cities are coming. Just let me point it to Delhi, DEL. I know this takes a little bit of time. Here we have Delhi, and just press the reset button for 3 seconds, and one hold and flash will point over there, and the clock will automatically reset to your time zone, and the dates also will get reverted back to your time zone. Like if you are a little bit later than Japan, like we are, Japan is on the east. How smooth the operation is, like, and it is very big actually. 55 mm dia. And just let me show you one more thing. Stopwatch and all those things are okay, you get that with every watch. This is the one. I liked it when I first bought it, but in front of this is nothing. This is absolutely nothing in front of this. Do man, I do feel pity for the black one. I do feel pity. So black one, and this is the light. It's like they are putting torchlight on the face of Thanos, for example. Okay guys, I do hope that you like the video. Do like, comment and subscribe for this watch model. Any queries, you just comment on that. I will revert back to you. Thank you.